Assalamu alaikum. I'm Faduma
and I'm Kinsi.
and this is Live with Faduma and Kinsi.
Today's episode is extra special because...
Hello, my name is Maida.
Maida, are you visiting or moving in?
Both.
Everyone meets our cousin Maida all the way from Somalia. She's funny, she's loud, and she's already making us laugh.
Osborne Fabulous.
Oya hawaayin hawaala loobin hawaahi wax siisa hooyo oya hawaayin wardheeraabe.
Faduma, Kinsi, come pick up your art supplies. Awa is bringing your cousin Maida from the airport. They'll be here any minute.
No, Sabah, don't eat that. She's here.
Hello, my name is Maida.
Maida, you don't have to yell.
Oh, maxay leedahay?
waxay ku leedahay waad qaylinaysaa.
Uma anaaba qayliyey.
Come on, Maida, we'll show you your room.
haye nabaday anigu waa sii baxayaaye.
Here you go, Maida, your pajamas.
Oo baatigii aawe.
Oh, Bati, I have some. Wait here.
Oo ileen wareerse wallahi. Oo mise hooyo ma taalo. Yes, I love batis back home. We wear them all the time. It is comfortable.
Girls, come down for snack time.
Badana oo sambuuski aaway.
This is called peanut butter and jelly sandwich. Try it, Maida. It's good to try something new. You might like it.
Wow, it's tasty, but it is not as good as sambusa.
Hoya, can we have a sleepover in the living room tonight?
Okay, but only for tonight.
Maskaxdu i xanuujiyey.
I have an idea. Maida, why don't you play some Somali games or teach the girls Somali?
What? You are Somali and you don't even speak Somali. Naxdin weyn.
We know a little, but we mix it with English.
It is okay. I will teach you. Okay, first say what mahadsantahay. This means thank you to you.
Mahadsanid.
Waan ku jeclahay means I love you.
Waan ku jeclahay.
I can teach you again. We play call Garir.
Oh, I love Garir. I used to play as a kid. You throw a rock up, take some out of the square, and put them back in.
Whoever has the most rock wins.
Language is a treasure, girls. It is a gift to pass on. Hey, would you girls like to hear a Somali lullaby I used to sing to you when you were babies?
Huwaye huwa, huwaye huwa, huwaye huwa, hurday hurdoy kaalay, indhahanad shabkudhe, shalalaxkudhe, hurday hurdoy kaalay, indhahanad shabkudhe, shalalaxkudhe, huwaye huwa, huwaye huwa, huwaye huwa, huwaye huwa.
I didn't know language was so important. It is like a treasure.
I love peanut butter. It is tasty.
Bye, friends. Mahadsanid waan idin jeclahay. Mahadsantihiin waan idin jeclahay. If you had fun, hit that like button and subscribe to our channel.
Without any worries, they share how they'll